Welcome back to everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of our exciting automotive content. Today we've got something special lined up for all the motorcycle enthusiasts out there. In this video, we're diving deep into the recently spied Hero Xtreme 210, which has been caught testing on roads. We'll break down everything we know about this upcoming bike and what it means for the Indian motorcycle scene. So, let's get right into it. The Hero Xtreme series has long been a favorite among Indian riders, offering a perfect balance of performance, style, and affordability. With the current Xtreme 200R and the Xtreme 160R setting new benchmarks in their respective categories, Hero MotoCorp is now stepping up the game with a spied test of what looks like a new member in the Xtreme family, the Hero Xtreme 210. What makes this bike so interesting? Well, it's being positioned as a more powerful, more feature-packed model compared to its predecessors. But what exactly are we looking at here? What new features could it bring? And is it really worth the hype? These are just some of the questions we'll answer in today's video, so buckle up because the Xtreme 210 might just be the next big thing in the Indian motorcycle market. Before we jump into the specifics of the 2025 Hero Xtreme 210, let's quickly recap the success of Hero's Xtreme series. The first Hero Xtreme launched back in 2005, and since then, it has become a staple in Hero MotoCorp's lineup. The Xtreme motorcycles have always been known for offering a mix of sporty styling and reliable performance, aimed primarily at younger riders looking for an affordable, stylish, and performance-oriented motorcycle. Hero further evolved the Xtreme lineup with the Xtreme 200R, which came out in 2018. This bike was a game-changer, offering a 199.6cc engine, more power, a refined design, and a solid feature set at a very competitive price point. Then came the Xtreme 160R, a motorcycle that carved its own niche in the entry-level performance segment, combining style, modern features, and impressive performance in a compact package. Looking at the spy shots of the 2025 Hero Xtreme 210, it's clear that Hero has taken a more aggressive and modern approach with the design. The first thing that stands out is the bike's muscular stance and sharp lines, which are characteristic of the Xtreme series, but with an updated flair. The test mule is equipped with a larger, beefier front end with a more pronounced headlamp design. While we don't have a clear look at the full front fascia just yet, we can expect an angular LED headlamp, similar to what we've seen on Hero's other recent offerings, like the Xtreme 160R. The bodywork of the Xtreme 210 is more sculpted, with sharper tank extensions and flared edges, contributing to an overall more aggressive and sporty look. If you look closely, you can see a more refined fuel tank design, which could possibly offer improved ergonomics for riders. Hero has also made sure to keep the overall design compact and easy to handle, which should appeal to both city commuters and enthusiasts. Moving to the side profile, we can spot a wider rear tire, which is a good indication that the 2025 Xtreme 210 will be targeting more performance-oriented riders. The rear section of the bike has been streamlined, with a sleek tail section and sharp, minimalist tail light design similar to the 160R, but with its own unique touch. We also noticed the use of a new alloy wheel design, which not only adds to the aesthetics but could also contribute to better performance and handling. The overall fit and finish, as per the spy shots, look premium with high-quality materials used throughout. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the powertrain and performance. The 2025 Hero Xtreme 210 is expected to be powered by a new 210cc single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine. This is a slight upgrade over the 200cc engine in the Xtreme 200R and should provide an additional boost in power and torque. We anticipate a peak power output of around 20 to 22 bhp, which would make it one of the most powerful motorcycles in the segment. In terms of torque, we expect Hero to tune the engine for a balance of city-friendly low-end torque and thrilling mid-range power. The engine will likely come paired with a 5-speed gearbox, and Hero could also introduce a slipper clutch system to improve downshifting performance, especially when pushing the bike to its limits on twisty roads or tracks. We've seen Hero MotoCorp use advanced fuel injection technology in their recent bikes, and the Xtreme 210 is likely to follow suit, ensuring better fuel efficiency and smoother throttle response. The powertrain will also be mated to a set of high-performance suspension components with an upside-down front fork and a rear monoshock, which should provide better handling, especially during aggressive cornering or hard braking. One of the key upgrades we're expecting is the inclusion of a larger, more robust braking setup. Expect to see a front disc brake with a larger diameter, possibly paired with a dual-channel ABS anti-lock braking system. This would further improve the bike's stopping power and provide greater safety and control, especially in emergency braking situations. As with most new models, the Hero Xtreme 210 is expected to come loaded with features that cater to the modern rider. The spy shots show a fully digital instrument cluster, which is likely to be similar to what we saw on the Hero Xtreme 160R, with added functionality for the 210C segment. Expect to see features like: with Bluetooth, you could possibly get access to turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, and other smart features directly on your dashboard, which will be a big win for tech-savvy riders. Another feature that Hero is likely to include is an LED lighting system for both the headlamp and tail light, ensuring better visibility and a more premium feel. The Hero Xtreme 210 will also come equipped with features aimed at rider comfort, such as a split-seat design and improved ergonomics, which should make it suitable for both short city commutes and long highway rides. The foot pegs are likely to be designed with aggressive riding in mind, and we could also see some rubberized grips for added comfort during longer rides. Now, let's talk about pricing and when we can expect to see the Hero Xtreme 210 on the roads. Given that the Hero Xtreme 160R is priced around Rs 1.20-1.30 lakh, and the Xtreme 200R is around Rs 1.20 lakh, the Hero Xtreme 210 is expected to be priced slightly higher, likely in the range of Rs 1.40-1.60 lakh, ex-showroom. This puts it right in the competitive space with bikes like the TVS Apache RTR 204V, Yamaha FZ25, and the Pulsar NS200. However, Hero's reputation for offering competitive pricing could make this bike a very attractive option for those looking for a balance of performance and affordability. As for the launch date, we expect the Xtreme 210 to hit the market sometime in 2025, possibly during the second quarter, which would coincide with the start of the summer season, a prime time for new motorcycle launches in India. So there you have it, everything we know so far about the 2025 Hero Xtreme 210. If you're excited about this new bike, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Do you think Hero has what it takes to challenge the big players in the 200cc segment with this new model? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in the Hero Xtreme 210. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming motorcycle reviews and news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.